What's up, guys? High Base 601 coming at y'all with a video one-on-one for a few minutes just to take up a little bit of y'all time. I haven't thanked all of my new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel, so I'm gonna take that opportunity to thank all of y'all. And I will be giving away at 20K. I think I said $100. I might increase it to 200. Make it 4 people, $50 a piece, just to give y'all some gas money, maybe a meal, a steak or something like that. Y'all can use that for that purpose. But like I said, I haven't made my mind up yet. I know I said I was gonna do $100 and split it, so I might do 200. So there'd be 4 people, $50 a piece. But you gotta have Cash App or PayPal, and you gotta be subscribed, and the notification bell has to be turned on. So here's the kicker right here. I think I'm at like 19.1K. So when I'm like 100 subscribers away from 20K, that's how I'm gonna do it. So the last 100 people, or should I say the last 50 people that I actually need to achieve that 20K goal, will be the people that I will actually enter into the $50 giveaway. But like I said, you have to be totally subscribed. I would have to see that you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn the notification bell on. Matter of fact, make sure all y'all have your notification bells on so y'all won't miss no videos. Okay, so the main purpose of this video is to do an unboxing video. I got some new merchandise for the channel. After contemplating for quite some time, I felt like I want to kind of put a little bit more into the channel, out of my pocket, out of my own money, you know what I mean? So it's actually the camera. I'm gonna introduce y'all to the camera that I've been using the whole entire time, you know, recording YouTube. It has been a great camera. Unfortunately, I want to try something different. Then plus, I want to have a backup camera just in case if my old camera that I have go out. And also, if I'm at a show, if I got somebody with me, or if somebody just randomly just hanging around me, I can tell them, hey man, take my camera and record some outside footage. So I have 2 cameras that I can use for that purpose. But here I'm gonna introduce y'all to the camera that I was using. Right now I'm recording on my Android phone on front cam, so I can't see myself like, you know, what I'm showing y'all. This is a Sony Hdr Cx405. This is what I've been using the whole entire time doing YouTube. And some of y'all might kind of perhaps seen like the tripod that did not come with this camera. I just had one screwed in here, and that's how I actually hold it in different ways. So this is the camera right here that I've been using. Right here. Still works fine. I got several batteries with it. I mean, I get the whole day of the show done with 4 batteries and a mega SIM card or HD card, whatever you want to call it. So I have, since Sony been so great, I have some new products here by Sony, and this is a shooting grip with mini tripod. That's what this is. So this goes on my brand new camera that I got. So I already opened this. I'm just gonna kind of open it and kind of show y'all like what it comes with. I got this actually before I actually got the camera. But if you can see, it has start and stop, has zoom in and out, then it also has photo. And I can actually flip these out like that. This little plug here, I'm sure gonna go into the camera. I can flip these out like that, and I can set it up as a tripod, you know, well, like that, and adjust it to where, yeah, that's push button, and adjust that to where I want it to sit. But in the meantime, when I'm recording, I can just hold that like that with the camera on top. We're gonna put that away. And we're gonna move on to the next piece of this puzzle. I got 3 pieces to this puzzle. Microphone. So this Sony camera has a microphone. So we're gonna open this up. Which, like I said, I already opened it. We're just showing y'all what it looks like. There's a mic. I slipped this on there already, but it has contact right there where it slips in. Put that back on there. So there's the mic, guys. So I'll tell y'all what, like, I'll let y'all know the first show I go to this year that I'm gonna be shooting with this camera, so you can actually compare how the video looks, how the sound quality is. Just let me know, if it changed from using this little bad boy. So we're gonna put this up. And I wanted to shoot this video on my phone so I can show y'all what I was recording with all this time. All right, so here's the box. A little blade. It's a very expensive camera in my book, but I figured if I can have all that audio equipment in my vehicles that costs what it costs, lithium batteries and all that, I can actually have a camera that's pretty much equal or better value than all the equipment that I have in my vehicle. Okay, so this is the Sony FDR-AX53. And I wanted to compare the size with my old camera and this one. That's another reason why I didn't want to tie my old camera up during the video. I want to use my phone so I can actually show y'all the size comparison of the two. And it is a monster. Ooh, it's fat. It is fat. It is fat, man. It is fat. Look at that. That is a birdie. Wow. Look at the comparison. Just look at the comparison, man. Like, just look at that. Just look at that. 4K. 4K. Man, this thing is lovely. Like, I'm in love. Like, I'm just lost for words right now. This is Christmas in October. Man, this thing is, look at the eye is moving. Like the eye is literally floating in there. Look at that. So that's where the little scene change come from when everything looks just awesome. We're gonna enjoy this, baby. All right, so we're gonna see what else we got in here. Looks like we got a charge card. Man, we got like several cards. I don't even know. We got like 3. Okay, this the charger support. So I guess this and one of these goes in. And then we got the battery. I don't have a memory card right now. I'm gonna have to go by Best Buy and see what I can find. But here's the battery. I'm finna try to hook a little something up. Let's see here. Well, we're gonna put everything on it. Let y'all see how everything look. Okay. It has a door on the top. I don't know if I like that. The door on the top where the mic goes in. I wish that wasn't like that. See the little door, how it just I guess that's just for, you know, pretty much when you're using it. You can't just put it back up with the mic on. It's best to just take it off. But that looks like that. And I must say I gotta get me a, how this works. So let's see what I'm doing here. All right, so that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I think it's slick looking. Let's see here. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm gonna slip the battery in and see, can I get it to actually come on? Y'all see I'm like a kid in a candy store. Like I said, guys, this is for me, this is a major investment to bring y'all footage in the best quality that I possibly can. You know, it's gonna be 2022. Let's go to this battery. And let's not go. I'm gonna try to actually, don't play. Okay, I'm doing this wrong. Oh, there we go. So the battery's in. Let's see, can we power on? Yes, English. Next. Gotta set the time zone. Next. Set daylight saving. Alright, we ain't gonna worry about all that. We just gonna, main thing was I just wanted to show y'all guys the investment. And this is right here. 4K camera. And this, well, look at the lens just closed. Y'all see that? Automatically. And this one right here, I actually have to close the lens by hand. This one said, good night. Okay, so I don't know. I guess that's all I want to say right now. But just want, you know, introduce y'all to the new investment, the 4K, for the next videos that's going to be coming. And we look forward to see how it actually does. Main thing is, like I said, y'all let me know the difference. I'll let y'all know when I start recording with this camera. Y'all let me know the difference on what y'all think about the quality and the microphone sound. I still will be using this camera also. Like I said, for outside purposes, like maybe y'all can get better footage this year because I have this camera on deck. And let me say this, if any of you guys at the show and y'all have watched this video and y'all know pretty much what I got in mind, if y'all want to actually be a part, I mean, you are a part of the Hdr 601 family, but if you really want to be a part, and if you really want to let people know, hey, you was behind the scene recording a video for Hdr, holler at me. And I'll let you take this camera right here while I'm getting a demo. You can take this camera and you can record some outside footage for me, and that'll be great. That'll be perfect. But other than that, I think I'm gonna end this video. Like I said, be looking for some more content. Continue to support, continue to subscribe, continue to comment, and keep keep on basing. Peace.